Hi, my name is Carlos Lopez and I'm one of the BMW geniuses here at Circle BMW.
Hi, my name is Nicole. I'm the Digital Marketing Manager here at Circle BMW in Eatontown, New Jersey. Today we would like to proudly introduce the 7th generation of our iconic BMW 3 Series. Today we're going to be talking about some of the new features of the 2019 BMW 330i. One feature I'd like to highlight is the new L-shaped taillights in the rear of the BMW 330. As you can see, they're shaped completely different than they were previously. Another thing too is the rear of the car is much more well-rounded in the 2019 model as well.
In our new BMW, you'll see that our headlights are now LEDs, and that is a standard option, as well as our active kidney grills.
This new model has 255 horsepower and 295 pounds of torque. This creates a new benchmark for 0 to 60, which is now 5.2 seconds.
A new feature in our BMW 3 Series is our BMW Assistant. It can help in many ways while you're driving. Hey BMW, what's the weather in Eatontown, New Jersey?
Currently it is sunny in Eatontown with a temperature of 43 degrees.
This car features 2 new displays. The first display is an instrument cluster behind the steering wheel and is 12.3 inches, and the second display is featured right in the middle, and this is 10.5 inches.
In our new BMW 3 Series, we have a new implemented button in the middle for your safety features. We have frontal collision warning, we have lane departure warning with steering intervention, and we also have our active blind spot detection. In our BMW 3 Series, we have a new feature called the Reverse Assistant. It's going to allow us to reverse by itself 150 feet backwards. All we got to do is put it into reverse, enable our backup assistant, and it's going to start steering by itself, and all we got to do is press the gas and the brake. I hope you enjoy our video. Thank you for watching.
Be sure to visit us at 500 Route 36 in Eatontown, New Jersey, or call us anytime at 732-440-1200. Thanks again.